Hi guys, look at our patio. You're coming with mommy? Oh yeah! Oh. We're not going anywhere, Perry. Hi guys. The film live here. Today is Sunday, October 23rd. And look at the trees. It's so sad. It's pretty though, but it's so sad to know that they're gonna be hibernating pretty soon. Look at my garden. Poor garden. And here's Mother Pam's plants. It's changing. Look. Doesn't grow that much, but look at that. It's changing colors now. And look at the trees in our backyard. Aren't they pretty? And look at all the way to our neighbors. That is so pretty up there. They are having a Halloween decorations. I am not a fan of it. There's Perry over there. Ooh, that is so nice. What are you running for, huh? And you? A lot of leaves, guys. Isn't it colorful? It is. Check our neighbor here. Look at that pretty tree. All the way up to our neighbor. Leaves all around. The two boys can't follow me up here because of the invisible fence. What is this? Ooh. You guys have a toy in here. Friends. Go. Go get tug of war. Yeah, go get it. Tug of war. Yeah, go get it. Yeah. No? Okay. Hi. Uh-oh, you can't come here. Sige, you will be electrocuted. Come here, Perry. Look at our tree, guys. Look at how pretty that is. Oops, it's a lot of walnuts here. You got a stick, Prince? Yeah? It's so nice today, yesterday and today. So we're gonna have another hike. Because in the next days and coming days, there's no more nice weather like this. Because we're heading to winter in no time. Wow, you got a new toy up here, huh? Mommy found it out there. Oh yeah, someone's got excited. Someone's got excited. Whoop. Who wants the tug of war? Who will get this? Get the ball, huh? Get the ball, Perry. Here's your ball. Go get it. Go get the ball. Why you brought it outside? Good job, friends. Come here. Let's go inside. Go, bring it inside. Go. You really like this, huh? Oh, la. found a toy. It's a nice toy.
Where did that come from?
It's down there. It's in our lot, so it's ours now.
Mm-hmm.
It's an expensive toy.
I wonder if that was like Elmo's.
No. Might be that old couple. To our second adventure. Where's Perry? Oh wow! Why are you with Mommy, Spot? Huh? Prince, you got your collar?
He does. Leashes are on both.
You are on my side. Look at Perry. He's wearing seatbelt like I do. Aw, aren't we cute? You finally got in here, huh? I told you. And here's our family. Of course, my Kenny and my Prince, and of course my baby Perry. We are going to the state park closer to our house here. We gotta be careful. Don't jump, Perry. Picnicking here. What you smell, Perry? Yeah. A lot of people here. Yeah. Yeah, because it might go to the road. I hope we can see a deer here. He's sitting. He's resting.
He just stands there. You can run. That's why I let you go. Run around a little bit, and then we'll keep going.
So you Perry. There. Aren't they cute? Come here.
Good boy. Good boy.
You're back. How about that other one? You're a free dog. Honey, that is so gorgeous. Ooh.